Maintaining balanced insulin levels is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes. Diet plays a significant role in managing these levels. Incorporating certain foods into your daily meals can help lower insulin levels naturally and improve insulin sensitivity. Here are 6 superfoods that can aid in this process. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are excellent choices for managing insulin levels. These vegetables are low in calories and carbohydrates but high in fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in magnesium, a mineral that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet can provide essential nutrients without spiking your blood sugar levels. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body, a key factor in improving insulin sensitivity. Omega-3s also support heart health, making fatty fish a valuable addition to your diet. Aim to include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week to reap the benefits. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, offer a powerhouse of nutrients that support insulin regulation. They are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which contribute to better blood sugar control. The fiber in nuts and seeds helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, the healthy fats promote satiety and can reduce overall calorie intake, aiding in weight management, a crucial factor in maintaining healthy insulin levels. 4. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit that can positively impact insulin levels. They are high in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Avocados also provide a good amount of fiber, further aiding in blood sugar regulation. Their creamy texture and versatile flavor make them an excellent addition to salads, smoothies, and various dishes. Including avocados in your diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied. 5. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are not only delicious but also beneficial for managing insulin levels. They are low in sugar compared to other fruits and high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. The fiber in berries slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. The antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is often associated with insulin resistance. Incorporating a handful of berries into your daily diet can provide a sweet yet healthy treat that supports insulin regulation. 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. It works by increasing glucose uptake by cells and enhancing the effectiveness of insulin. Adding cinnamon to your diet is easy and can be done in various ways. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, add it to smoothies, or use it in baking. Including this flavorful spice in your meals can help manage blood sugar levels naturally. Managing insulin levels through diet is a proactive way to support your overall health and well-being. By incorporating leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, avocados, berries, and cinnamon into your daily meals, you can naturally improve insulin sensitivity and maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Remember that a well-rounded diet, combined with regular physical activity and a healthy lifestyle, is key to achieving optimal insulin regulation.